6:43 this morning, starting with an update on the tropics. Still got to talk about Gabrielle, which is still kind of overachieving, though it's a pretty ugly looking storm, showing the signs that it's getting ready to become one of those extratropical, post-tropical cyclones that tends to happen when they get lopsided like this. But it still has 50-mile-per-hour winds, and because it's overachieved so far, it may finally have some impacts to land. Maybe by Wednesday night, bringing some showers and some gusty winds to Ireland. We don't usually talk about these systems making it that far, but this is basically the sign that the waters are very warm, and that's why Gabrielle has survived longer than anticipated a little bit, but it is going to be transitioning to just a regular low pressure system. But there are still a couple other spots to watch in the Atlantic. We actually just got an update from the National Hurricane Center. Not looking too likely that this wave is going to develop. It might happen the next couple days, but there's a lot of wind shear over the Caribbean right now, which if it doesn't develop before it gets to the Leeward Islands, it's probably not going to happen. What we're a little more interested in is this little wave to the north of Hispaniola. Again, a lot of wind shear right now, so it's not going to happen, but notice the direction it's moving. We think by Friday, moving over Florida, and then by the weekend into the Gulf. And if the wind shear goes away in the Gulf, we're going to have to keep a very close eye on it. Right now, it looks like there's probably going to be too much wind shear. It's probably just going to stay a wave of low pressure, but the water's really warm in the Gulf. And this time of year, you have to be careful with any of these waves that get into the Gulf, because if that wind shear goes away, things could get interesting. We'll, of course, be sure to keep you posted. A 30% chance of showers and storms today. These rain chances the same as yesterday. Doesn't mean that if you saw rain yesterday, you're going to see it again today. But there's a chance. The chances are about equal for seeing rain like we saw yesterday, and it's still a better chance towards the coast. So I think that's where we're going to see the most activity. And as we go west, there's going to be less and less. McAllen, Far, Edinburgh, there's a good chance today you may very well stay dry. But a 20% chance of seeing showers and storms. Farther to the west, Rio Grande City, Falcon Lake, just a 10% chance. So yes, most likely you will stay dry. So most of the day, because there's not going to be a ton of rain, it's going to be partly cloudy, breezy, very similar to yesterday overall. Almost a carbon copy, really. 95 for our high. It all depends on if you see rain or not. Again, it's going to be in probably a little bit different places this afternoon, but gusts are going to be around 25, and it's going to be seasonably hot for this time of year, but at least not triple digits. And it's going to be another muggy night. Very similar to last night, partly to mostly clear skies most of the night. But late, a few showers will try and stream in, mainly near the coast, and those winds will die down to 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, bumping up the rain chance a little bit, a 30% chance of shower storms. You can add about 10% to that rain chance map, and that's what we're expecting for tomorrow. A little bit more cloud cover, partly to mostly cloudy, about a degree cooler because of the additional cloud cover and rain. Still isolated showers and storms, still a breezy day, and the best chance of rain will be in the afternoon. It looks like our best chance of rain is Thursday, a 40% chance of showers and storms. But the rain chance isn't going away. We're going to keep 20 and 30% chances Friday, Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday. And therefore, not too hot. Highs in the low to mid 90s. And I think most importantly, our lows going down, the humidity dropping a little bit. So finally, some low temperatures in the low 70s starting Thursday night. I think that's going to feel very good in the morning hours. We'll be right back after this break.